Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, July 6th. Today's Zen story is titled The Ladder to the Sky. For years, a devoted monk named Hiro sought enlightenment. He meditated in the mountains, fasted for days, and read every sacred text. Yet, the truth he sought always seemed just out of reach. One morning, he awoke with a revelation. I must climb higher, he thought. Enlightenment must be above me. So he built a ladder. At dawn, he climbed to the first rung, then the second. He meditated there, expecting to feel wiser. But he was no different than before. So he climbed higher. Days turned to weeks, and Hiro's ladder stretched above the village, above the trees, even above the clouds. He barely ate or slept, only climbing, always higher. One day, as he reached for the next rung, he heard laughter below. He looked down and saw his old master sitting beneath the ladder, drinking tea. Master, Hiro called, I'm close to enlightenment, just a little higher. The old man sipped his tea. Oh, and where does the ladder end? Hiro looked up. His ladder disappeared into the endless blue sky. He had never considered this. Where did it end? For the first time in years, he hesitated. The sky stretched infinitely above him. His legs trembled. He had no idea what he was climbing toward. Slowly, carefully, he climbed back down. When he reached the ground, his master handed him a cup of tea. Hiro sat, breathing in the steam, feeling the earth beneath him. The old man chuckled. If the sky has no top, where do you think enlightenment is hiding? Hiro took a sip of tea. It was the best tea he had ever tasted. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to settle, arriving into stillness. Perhaps gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What goals in your life feel like a ladder with no top? What goals in your life feel like a ladder with no top? Are you chasing something distant while ignoring what's already in your hands? Are you chasing something distant while ignoring what's already in your hands? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And be sure to check out our private circle group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.